Hi, this is Missy here with SmarterQueue, and in this video, I'll be walking through how to use the Visual Instagram Planner. The Visual Instagram Planner is a great tool for the aesthetically minded that allows you to preview and reorder upcoming posts in your feed. This way, you can easily drag and drop your posts and plan the look and feel of your feed. To find the Visual Instagram Planner, navigate to the top right of your queue. You'll see options to view the queue as a list, week, month, and Instagram grid. Select Instagram Grid to automatically open the Visual Instagram Planner for the first Instagram profile in your social profiles list. You can select a different Instagram profile from the Filter by Profile area on the left-hand side of your queue. Inside the Visual Instagram Planner, you'll see a mix of your most recent live posts on Instagram and those that are waiting in the queue to be published. Your live posts are indicated by the Instagram icon in the bottom left of the photo, while the queued ones are indicated by the SmarterQueue preview icon. Use the slider at the top of the planner to show more queued posts, or type a number manually in the box. To reorder posts in your queue, simply drag and drop posts within the same category to build the best feed. This will also reorder your posts automatically in list view. Keep in mind that you won't be able to reorder posts that are in different categories, as your time slots in your posting plan will be scheduled for different times. You'll also not be able to move posts scheduled for a specific date and time, as the Visual Instagram Planner only works for queued posts with a time slot. For more control over reordering your posts, we recommend you create a category specifically for Instagram posts and add all of your Instagram content only to that category. This way, you'll be able to drag and drop your posts freely to any order you like. When you've finished with the Visual Instagram Planner, you can switch back to List View by going to the top right and selecting List. Alright, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch by sending an email to hello@smarterque.com.